These are some of my favorite snack foods. So if you like potato chips, you will love these Banana brand cassava chips. So they also do plantain chips as well, but ingredients super clean. It's just the cassava root, some Himalayan sea salt, and coconut oil. So love these guys. If you like crunchies, you will love these. So I know I'm always telling you guys about the bad ingredients in mainstream snack food. So now I'm letting you know what I love. So we keep some snack food. Uh-oh, look. We got Siete brand churros. Churros. So Siete, we've been buying Siete brand for years. They make grain-free tortillas, grain-free tortilla chips. And if you like Doritos, they have a great grain-free, super clean cheddar tortilla chip. You will love it. And they make churros. Ingredients are super clean and they taste good. I'm also not gonna recommend something that's healthy that don't taste good. Next, these are my absolute favorite crackers. I feel like me and Big B will fight over these, and it's Simple Mills. These crackers are made from almond flour. These taste better than any cracker I've ever had in my entire life, than the white sugar, refined sugar. No, these guys have so much more flavor. I eat these with my soup, my chili, some grass-fed cheese. You try these. They're everywhere now because I think I got this from Costco. You will love them. So try these, and if you have a good healthy snack brand, let me know in the comments.